Welcome to World Alert Updates. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. The Philippines is making a dramatic shift. Once famous for its traffic jams and smoke-belching jeepneys, the country is launching a bold plan to revolutionize public transport. This isn't just about new vehicles, it's a complete overhaul for a greener, cleaner, and more efficient system. Today, the transformation is visible on the streets of Davao and the rivers of Manila. In Manila, the Mapala electric ferry system is set to turn congested rivers into fast-moving transport corridors. Meanwhile, Davao is rolling out a massive fleet of electric buses, replacing thousands of old polluting vehicles. Together, these projects mark one of Southeast Asia's most significant green transportation pushes. The government, in partnership with international organizations and private companies, is investing billions to make this vision a reality. The plan, a fully integrated network connecting buses, ferries, and trains across the archipelago. For a nation of over 110 million people on more than 7,000 islands, it's a monumental task. But the rewards, cleaner air, better mobility, and a sustainable future, are enormous. This is more than infrastructure. It's a fundamental shift in how the Philippines sees its future. Economic growth and environmental protection are no longer at odds. By embracing electric vehicles, the Philippines is taking a stand for sustainability. The world is watching as the country powers up its new green fleets. The journey is just beginning, but the destination is clear: a cleaner, brighter, and more connected future for all Filipinos. In Manila, a quiet revolution is taking place on the water. The Mapala electric ferry system is set to become the city's new lifeline, with a massive investment to transform urban mobility. Dozens of fully electric state-of-the-art ferries will glide silently along the Pasig River and beyond. These vessels mean zero emissions and minimal noise, dramatically improving air and noise quality along the riverbanks. Advanced battery systems and rapid charging stations ensure reliable, all-day service for commuters. Mapala will connect key areas like Laguna de Bay and Manila Bay, reclaiming underused waterways for public good. The project's name, a blend of Manila and Alpas, to break free, captures its ambition to help Manila escape crippling traffic. More than just boats and stations, Mapala is a symbol of hope and progress. It leverages the city's natural geography for innovative, sustainable solutions. For millions tired of endless traffic, the silent hum of an electric ferry signals a new era. The first phase launches in early 2026, with plans to expand as more routes open. Mapala is designed to be the backbone of a new, water-based transport network. It's a bold step toward a cleaner, more efficient Manila. In a nation of thousands of islands, water-based transport isn't just smart, it's essential. The Mapala project is a modern return to the Philippines' roots, using rivers as highways to bypass urban gridlock. Metro Manila's traffic is legendary, but its waterways offer a clear, open path. The Pasig River, running 27 kilometers through the city, is now a fast, reliable alternative to clogged roads. Ferries move at consistent speeds, unaffected by traffic lights or rush-hour jams. 32 modern stations will connect business districts, neighborhoods, and other transport hubs. Integration with buses and trains ensures seamless transfers for commuters. Revitalizing the Pasig River requires a major cleanup, turning it into a valuable public asset. All-electric ferries mean a dramatic reduction in carbon emissions and cleaner air. The system incentivizes keeping the river clean and supports the country's climate goals. This approach is practical, sustainable, and perfectly tailored to the Philippines' unique geography. It's a game-changer for urban mobility and environmental health. The Mapala system is a blueprint for sustainable transport in an archipelago. While Manila looks to its rivers, Davao is transforming its roads. The Davao Public Transport Modernization Project is phasing out thousands of old jeepneys for over 1,000 modern electric buses. Backed by the Asian Development Bank, this project signals Davao's commitment to a sustainable, people-focused future. The new network covers the entire city and surrounding areas, with main routes and feeder lines for maximum reach. Buses feature air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, CCTV, and are accessible for all passengers. Modern bus stops, depots, and a central control center ensure efficient real-time management. Contactless fare collection makes commuting faster and more convenient. The shift to electric buses will dramatically improve air quality and public health. Programs help jeepney drivers transition to new roles, ensuring no one is left behind. This is more than new vehicles, it's a complete reimagining of public transport. Davao is setting a new standard for urban mobility in the Philippines. The jeepney is a Filipino icon, but most are old, inefficient, and polluting. The government's modernization program aims to evolve, not erase, this legacy. New e-jeepneys retain classic design elements but run on clean electric power. They're safer, more comfortable, and produce zero emissions. In Davao, the leap is even bigger, a full electric bus system for a growing city. Modern fleets offer air-conditioned, spacious rides with automated fare collection and real-time info. The transition isn't easy. Some transport groups worry about costs and livelihoods. The government offers financial aid and training to ensure a just transition. The goal: preserve cultural heritage while embracing progress. The journey is challenging, but the destination, a modern sustainable transport system, is worth it. The jeepney's spirit lives on, cleaner and better than ever. Manila and Davao's green transport projects are creating ripple effects far beyond the daily commute. Construction of stations, depots, and charging infrastructure is generating thousands of jobs and building a skilled green workforce. Once operational, these systems provide stable employment and boost local economies. Environmentally, the shift to electric vehicles slashes greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution, improving public health. The projects reduce reliance on imported fossil fuels, tapping into local renewable energy sources. This strengthens national security and energy independence. Technological advancements, like smart traffic management and automated fare collection, accelerate the country's digital transformation. The Philippines is building capacity to manage and develop its own sustainable transport solutions. These efforts position the country as a regional leader in green technology. The benefits are economic, environmental, and technological, setting the stage for a sustainable future. For millions of Filipinos, green transport projects will transform daily life. The new electric ferries and buses promise faster, safer, and more comfortable commutes. Old vehicles lacked basic safety features. The new fleets meet international standards with CCTV, speed limiters, and robust braking. Mapala ferries feature advanced navigation and safety equipment for secure water travel. Comfort is key: air-conditioned buses, smooth ferry rides, and panoramic city views. Vehicles are spacious and accessible with low-floor entry and priority seating for all. These improvements make public transport inclusive and equitable. Faster, more reliable commutes give people back valuable time for family, rest, or personal pursuits. The boost in quality of life is profound. Public transport becomes a tool for empowerment. The daily commute is no longer a burden, but a seamless part of a better day. These changes foster productivity, well-being, and a sense of dignity for all. The transformation is not just physical, it's cultural. A new era of public transport is here. The Philippines' green transport initiatives are a model for developing nations worldwide. Many countries face similar challenges: urbanization, congestion, and pollution. Manila and Davao's solutions offer a practical, scalable blueprint. The Philippines is leapfrogging outdated technologies, moving straight to sustainable alternatives. Unlike traditional metro systems, Manila's focus on waterways is a unique, context-specific solution. Strategic partnerships like ADB funding and public-private models show how to finance large-scale projects. Success here attracts further investment and international recognition. The country is now a living laboratory for sustainable urban development. Delegations from other nations will study these systems firsthand. The lessons learned on technology, financing, and social transition are invaluable. The Philippines is lighting a path for a more sustainable global future. The electric fleets of Manila and Davao are just the beginning of a long-term vision. The goal: clean, efficient, accessible public transport as the standard for all Filipinos. Success here will inspire similar projects across the archipelago. Imagine cities with cleaner air, quieter streets, and more green spaces. The shift to electric transport decouples growth from carbon emissions, proving development and environmental protection can go hand in hand. Challenges remain: maintenance, financial sustainability, and cultural adaptation. But the foundation is strong. Political will and public demand are driving continued progress. By embracing electric ferries and buses, the Philippines is tackling urban challenges with innovation and foresight. These projects are more than infrastructure. They're a promise of a better quality of life and a beacon of hope. As the first electric ferries glide down the Pasig and e-buses roll through Davao, they carry the promise of a cleaner, brighter, and more sustainable future. The journey has started, and there's no turning back.